All right, guys, welcome to Rags to Riches. This video is for people wondering who we are, what we do, and how to use our services, so let's give a brief introduction here. Our name is Rags to Riches, or commonly called R2R. We run a huge community of traders that looks to combine knowledge and skill to produce some really great and profitable trade ideas. We offer a few different services on our Discord and site. We offer live buy and sell signals. We offer areas for members to chat with one another and staff so everyone is included and everyone gets heard. And we offer live classes and learning opportunities for people who want to take the next step in their trading journey. So let's take a look at what buy and sell signals are. We have over 25 expert analysts in their respective fields giving live, buy, and sell ideas to you. This means that they may say they're buying a stock at ABC at $3.30 and then selling out of that signal later saying they're selling it at $3.50. This is an example of a trade idea they come up with and they make it known to our members, what they're buying and what they're selling. So if people choose to do so, they can follow along. These expert analysts cover all types of trading, from long-term investing to short-term swing trading and even day trading and scalping. They cover a wide range of markets as well, everything from stocks and options to crypto, futures, forex, and even sports betting. So no matter what kind of trading you're into, we can help you accomplish more. So there's a few important things for us to note here. One, we are not a financial service and we do not supply financial advice. Any trading activity you partake in is solely your own responsibility. Two, this is also not investment advice. So when you see our traders taking their trades, they are not actively encouraging you to take the same trades. They are merely sharing what they are doing. And if you choose to follow that, it's up to you. And finally, it should be noted that these are simply ideas and opinions shared by our expert analysts. They're there to help you and answer questions and share ideas, but they're not there to tell you how to trade. So let's talk a little bit about the live classes we offer and learning materials. As much as we love sharing our trade ideas and helping you guys take some awesome trades, we want you to sharpen your own skills and to push you to become the best trader that you can be. That is why here at Rags to Riches, we offer live classes going over many important topics, and we also offer lots of learning material that is curated by our expert analysts, and we also share internet content that meets the high quality standards of our analysts. We offer material through YouTube, videos, lectures, written work, and live examples. So let's talk about one of our favorite features. We offer live trading with our analysts every single day. This means you get to enjoy expert commentary and watch our traders trade during the day. This gives you a huge learning opportunity to see how experts trade and think. This also leaves even more room to jump in on their ideas faster than anybody else. Now, of course, all these sound great, but it does come at a cost. We have two membership tiers. We offer Diamond membership and we offer Elite membership. If you want to just have live buy and sell signals and you don't have the time or need to learn the stock market anymore than you already have, and you'll want to purchase the Diamond membership. If you want the live buy and sell signals plus the live trading and learning material, you might find our Elite membership intriguing. Elite is for people who want to take trading very seriously and want as much exposure to the market as humanly possible. Now that you know what the services we offer are and the type of memberships we offer, let's do a live walkthrough of what it's like to join our services and start using them. We'll be doing a walkthrough of Rags to Riches. Alright guys, I'm kind of new to this because I haven't actually used our system to let people into the server and see how it all goes, so I'm going to figure it out with you guys. So as soon as you join the server, you'll see that you get a message popped up saying, "Welcome to Rags to Riches." It wants you to read and agree to the disclaimer to unlock the rest of the channels. So we're going to go down here to disclaimer. You can read this if you want, but what we're asking for is for you to come down here and click the check mark. As soon as we do so, we see a bunch of channels open up to us. We have stuff from the disclaimer, server rules, polls, success and testimonials. We see people making money and earning certifications. We have a referral program. We have all our analyst bios, so you get to get a little bit of a feel for how our analysts operate, where they've come from, what they do, where they find their success. We have an announcement channel where we always announce all the important things that go on in the server. We have the live trading floor, which, as you can see, does not actually allow you to look at anything or to type anything in here until the morning when all the analysts are live. We have the trading chat that anyone can partake in. We have a morning brief where people can see all the news that is happening in the market. We have a morning brief every day with important news. We have an investing chat for anybody who's looking to invest. We have a Canada chat for anybody in Canada. And we have a crypto chat for anybody in the crypto markets. You'll see a bunch of other stuff here, but what I really want to draw attention to is two things here. One, we have Earn Free VIP. Essentially, just by talking and being active in the community, you can earn free VIP status. This means that you get to look at analysts for free. So if we go to upgrade here, this is where you can see our memberships, what we offer, how you're going to start your trial, because we do offer a 7-day free trial. So you're going to go to the link here. It's going to open up to our upgrade chat where you can choose whatever membership you want. So we've got a free trial here. We have Diamond, we have Elite. We have a bunch of different tiers of this. You get discounts for the longer purchases you make. So if you buy, VIP monthly, it'll be $40. If you buy VIP Elite for 3 months, it's only $110, which means you're saving a couple bucks a month. 6 month, you get more savings. And then with the annual, it's only $30 a month. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click upgrade to free trial. Let's see if this works. So we click free for 7 days. Okay, we heard some dings. So now we can go through here and we can take a look at everything else that was just unlocked. So we just got 7 days free of our VIP Elite membership. We have R2R Partner Analyst, which is Moneybags, Scotland Swings, and Wiz Futures. You've unlocked all of these analyst alerts. We have Mr. M, Noah B, Rockin' Stocks, Scooby, Paxton, KP, Mr. Stocks. We have over 25 analysts. We have a bunch of crypto analysts. We have sports betting. We have Forex, dark pools, golden sweeps, alpha AI. We have a ton of stuff. We have live classes that you can join. We have even more topics that you can join in on gaming and other unrelated topics. Bunch of educational material. And there's just a ton to explore. So that's just a basic introduction to what we do have to offer here. And this is always growing and changing. So this is just going to be very basic on the things that you can do and what you need to do to get set up with your free membership for 7 days. After that, you'll be prompted if you want to join our membership. Like we said, VIP Diamond is $25 a month right now. VIP Elite is $40 a month. And we've gone over all the things that are included in both. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we will see you soon.